Maharashtra remains the worst hit state. It's now waiting for that big question to be answered. Will there be a lockdown in Maharashtra or not? Maharashtra has reported the single day highest spike of 63,294 cases in the past 24 hours. The active caseload is at 5,65,500. Now, amidst these rising cases, there are a series of meetings that are currently underway. There is one that's being chaired by Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray even as we speak. This is a meeting with the Deputy Chief Minister. A cabinet meeting will be chaired on Wednesday evening for a final decision. The government has also consulted the COVID task force. They're also having an all-party meeting, and certain facilities perhaps may have to be curbed to check the COVID spike. So what this meeting will also entail is having a discussion on the availability of oxygen in every district, restricting the number of people who can be at a funeral. Mumbai alone has reported 9,989 new cases and 58 deaths in the past 24 hours. The maximum city's caseload, active caseload in Mumbai is at 92,464, and as of now 877 buildings have been sealed in Mumbai.
निश्चित रूप से अगर आंकड़े इसी तरह से बढ़ते रहे तो टास्क फोर्स का मत है कि कहीं न कहीं लॉकडाउन कड़ाई से लागू करना पड़ेगा, लेकिन इसको लेके कोई अंतिम निर्णय अभी नहीं हुआ है। मुख्यमंत्री है, उप मुख्यमंत्री है, कैबिनेट के और साथी हैं, सभी बैठ के चर्चा करेंगे और जो टास्क फोर्स का एडवाइस है उसको लेके क्या फैसला किया जा सकता है वो आने वाले दिनों में निश्चित रूप से फैसला होगा।
On Sunday, Maharashtra reported highest cases till now in a day, with more than 60,000 cases being reported in Maharashtra alone, about 10,000 in Mumbai, about more than 70 COVID-related deaths in Mumbai. The state government is discussing options of how to implement a strict lockdown to stop this second wave, because the hospital beds have been being used at their full capacity. On Monday, there is no lockdown restrictions. People have come out of their house in markets to work at railway station. There is some crowd being seen, but yes, the people are now aware that in coming few days in Maharashtra, there will be a strict lockdown to stop these rising number of cases and now the rising number of fatalities due to COVID-19, because that's the only way, according to the Chief Minister, to stop the second wave which has entered Maharashtra. With camera person Mangesh Ambre, Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.